As far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is presently $0.056, which for the most part is very huge. Dogecoin cost investigation explicitly is bullish today, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, which in a real sense is very critical. Doge explicitly rose 21.14% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. 09 December 2023, in this video we will in every way that really matters, walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, essentially is Doge an especially wise venture? Which in every way that really matters is very huge. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of large manner. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Doge specialized examination, fundamentally let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,642,155,706,569, exhibiting that 09 December 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Dogecoin cost investigation for now or for truly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, truly is Doge a very wise venture, which truly is very critical. The complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $68,939,985,961, so Dogecoin generally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which fundamentally is very huge. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours in an extremely large manner. While distributing this block, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 2.84, and as of now exchanging at $241.09, showing that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period in an especially huge manner. Moreover, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a very descending course for genuinely present moment, so as far as Doge support floor, it most certainly is currently $0.056 in a very huge manner. Right now, a genuinely broad, essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense thought. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to, for the most part, recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of more beautiful dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is very huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants most certainly become move pretty dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher incredibly. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, in every practical sense, is at 10 cents, up 5.03% in the beyond 24 hours, and has a value change of 21.14% throughout the week, sort of additional appearance how Doge truly rose 21.14% in 7 days, which truly is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is $1,218,395,870.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally complete market cap came to $14,483,319,201 United States dollars, showing how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in an especially descending course for genuinely present moment. So as far as Doge support floor, it basically is currently $0.056 in an unobtrusive manner. There truly are practically 142,160,086,384 sort of are available for use out of 142,160,086,384, so there generally are practically 142,160,086,384 truly are available for use out of 142,160,086,384 in a huge manner. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 09 December 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time period, generally made sense of underneath, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Dogecoin. Showing how yet prior to plunging especially profound into the Doge specialized examination, truly let us especially discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a very huge manner. While Doge's Williams %R pointer most certainly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange really signal sort of is certainly conceivable at this reach, or so they truly thought. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, so Dogecoin essentially has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day outline, showing how Dogecoin value investigation Doge cost examination for 09 December 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The in every practical sense, relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin basically is an oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 24, exhibiting how one-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 1,218,395,870.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $14,483,319,201 United States dollars. Showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a genuinely descending course for present moment, so as far as Doge support floor, it especially is currently $0.056, which truly is very critical. Ends at this point, Dogecoin explicitly is getting along nicely and in a real sense, is endeavoring to break out of the rosy zone, exhibiting how the essentially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Dogecoin sort of is in over